Hey, Miles here, milesbeckler.com. This video is going to reveal the one and only method to making money online that actually truly works. Now, I've spent a fair bit of time in the Facebook groups of some tools that I use to generate millions of dollars online, and I keep seeing a similar comment pop up. People are saying, I'm trying this method, but the method isn't working. And the truth is much different from what they expect. So here's the flawed thought that there's some sort of a system, some sort of a method, just click here and do this over and over and over again, and you will make money. The truth is, and the real method that works is helping people get what they want. You see, there's a Zig Ziglar quote that you can build your entire business on. I know because that's how I built my business. And that quote goes that you can have everything you want in this world if you help enough people get what they want. Okay, so let's reverse that. So you want a successful business. Maybe you want 10 grand a month. Maybe you want 100 grand a month or more. To get to what you want, that simply means you have to help enough other people get what they want. And so many people disassociate this kind of income, right? Creating income as an entrepreneur online from the other side of the transaction. And every time you sell something, whether it's your course, your product that you created, whether you're drop shipping things or even selling things as an affiliate, there's another human being on the other side of that transaction. And to boil everything down to the method doesn't work simply means that you don't understand that you're not delivering value for anyone. Therefore, you're not making any money. And if you don't deliver enough value for enough people, you're never going to make what you want, right? I want to remind you of that quote. And you may even want to write this down on a Post-it note and stick it on your freaking laptop just to have it by you. You can have everything you want in this world if you help enough other people get what they want. My day-to-day activities with this online business that's doing 7 figures per year is constantly thinking about you. How do I help you get what you want? And as I help enough people get what they want, and that one word, enough, simply rules out the high ticket, I'm going to sell $10,000 coaching, $3,000, $5,000 coaching. That's not how I help enough people get what they want. I'm leveraging scale. And as of this moment right now, I've got about 175,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel that's reached nearly 10 million people through just me putting up videos. That's helping enough people. And then I actually deliver the goods. I actually teach people how to get the result that they want, whether it's how to run Facebook ads successfully, how to build a funnel, how to do copywriting, how to do email marketing, how to do affiliate marketing. I've taught it all for free. So I am helping enough people, right, at scale. I'm being of service at scale, and I'm just putting out great, helpful content freely to make sure you can go get what you want, assuming that you want to build a business online. And here's the cool part. YouTube knows if you're interested in building a business online, or if you're interested in scaling traffic or leads or conversions online, even if it's not your business. And YouTube, the search algorithm that runs this platform you're watching me on right now, it's going to do all the sorting for you, and it's not going to show my videos to someone who has no interest in building a business and just wants to watch cat videos. They take care of that side. What do? Me as a business owner, an extremely successful business owner online, I've been full-time at this for 10 years. I spend all of my time thinking, what do you need to get to where you want to be? Who are you? What do you want? Where do you want to be? I'm guessing $10,000 a month is one of those close solutions that you're after. Cool. How do I take my time and energy and knowledge and experiences from 2003 to today, because I made my first money online in 2003 till today, how do I take all of that and simmer it down in a way that I can help you take one more step closer to your goals right now? That's me living and embodying the Zig Ziglar quote that I can have anything I want in this world. I'm on 20 acres. I have a 20-acre estate with lake access. I'm living beyond the life of my dreams at this point in time. And I've been able to have all of this in my life because I'm helping enough other people get what they want. And my wife has a brand where she's going off and being of service at scale. And she's also helping millions of people. Her website has reached over 40 million people. And we help tens of millions of people in that world as well get what they want as well. And that's the one and only make money online method that truly works. You go help people. And you might be thinking, well, Miles, but I don't know how to help anyone. The truth is, you absolutely can help someone. Now, if you want to think about this in a physical business in your neighborhood that might work out, you probably got some neighbors who have dogs, and they probably don't walk their dogs enough, and you probably have the opportunity to walk their dogs for them. And that neighbor who you're walking their dogs for, what's the result that they get? Well, their dog gets walked, which means they get more free time, and hopefully the puppy doesn't chew up their furniture. Now, I'm being really specific on almost kind of an obscure example that doesn't fit into this business model, but I want to show you that you have unlimited opportunities to go help other people get what they want. If your neighbors are tired of having dirty windows, you could clean their windows for them. If your neighbors don't want to spend 2 hours per week mowing their lawn and cleaning their landscaping up, you could go offer that service for them. And there you are in alignment with this idea of helping people get what they want. Now, do you want to go cut grass, or do you want to go wash windows, or do you want to go walk dogs? I don't know, probably not. But here's the truth. I didn't want to make this video today, right? It's Saturday. It's the weekend. I have a lot of things I could be doing. I could be enjoying my time. I could be working out on my property. It's finally outdoor weather here in very early pre-spring. I don't really want to be doing this, but I want the result. I want to maintain this lifestyle that I have come to love and enjoy and expect for myself. The utter time freedom to be able to hop on a plane and cross an ocean if and when I so choose, and paying for business class without thinking twice about it. That's what I want in my life. Therefore, for me to maintain that lifestyle, I have to help enough people get what they want. And I've chosen to just leverage my expertise in building businesses, because from 2003 to 2007, I had about 15 failed businesses for literally 2003 to 2009, 5 years, nonstop failed businesses. Then from 2009 to about 2016, it finally clicked on one business. And that's when I started to teach everything we did to build that business. Now, most people, when they want to transition from being a practitioner who does the actual marketing work to a guru, a greedy guru who charges $3,000 to teach what they did, when they make that transition, they're thinking about themselves. That's all they're thinking about, is how can I get more from these skills that I've learned? And although there might be a short-term potential victory in that method, my approach here is creating a legacy, and it's creating a long-lasting brand that will survive decades, regardless of where the world goes, regardless of what technology becomes the dominant technology. The Miles Beckler brand and the brand value I've created by doing what? Helping enough other people get what they want. That brand value will go on to serve me for decades to come. And this is how I'm ensuring my lifestyle, my ability to live a $20,000 or $30,000 a month lifestyle, because I want to. And the way I can maintain that and manage that long term is by making sure I'm helping enough other people get what they want. I've helped brand new people build 6-figure businesses. I've helped 6-figure businesses owners get to 7 figures per year. That's over $83,000 a month. And I've even networked with and assisted 8-figure businesses. These are businesses that are making $830,000 plus per month. I've helped them build out systems to get to the next level within their business. So I'm helping everyone I can at every level, help enough people. I'm getting scale behind this. And finally, so you're like, okay, Miles, I get it. And I really do want to build a real business online. I don't want to do the neighborhood work. Okay. I don't want to actually go trade dollars for hours in that world, which I think you're overlooking a great opportunity if you don't have any other skills. But then your only option is really to become the researcher for the searcher. Okay. So you commit to a world, and let's say it's how to sew your own clothing. You decide that how to make clothing or how to repair clothing is the niche that you want to get into. So you go all in, and maybe you've never sewn before, but you're like, I'm going to figure this out. I'm going to master this. So what do? You do all of the research, and you document all of the research that you do. And it's ultimately probably going to take you even more time. But just as I spent those years from 2003 to 2009 doing nothing but failing, and then from 2009 to 2016 actually succeeding and growing a business to multiple 6 figures per year, then I started teaching these videos. So I was in a self-training mode for, I don't know, approximately 14, 15 years before I ever started to teach what I'm learning. And what I'm helping you understand is you can enter a niche and you can start learning and teaching immediately. Your local library has all of the books on sewing and patterns and all of the things you would ever need to learn about sewing. It's all right there at your local library. And it just takes putting in that time. And you can build your business in a sense that you go find a topic that's commonly searched about in all of the subreddits about sewing. This is the biggest problem that people in the world of sewing consistently have. And you go down to your library, you spend a week or two to find the absolute best answer. You go through 3 or 4 books, you really master that one thing, and you go create a wonderful blog post and a wonderful wonderful piece of content and maybe even a wonderful YouTube video that answers that one question. And you publish it, and then you get on to the next, and on to the next, and on to the next. And that is how we, like bricklayers, brick by brick by brick, we leverage content that helps other people get what they want. And when we get enough of these bricks laid, helping other people get what they want, we essentially have the core business model that can help us get anything that we want. So if you've been thinking out there that make money online is a joke, or this stuff doesn't work, or that method didn't work, and shame on them for selling me this method, and shame on them for selling me that method, you now know the secret. And you are the one special thing. It's 100% in your hands. It is 100% on your shoulders. You are either going out every single day and creating value in the lives of others, and you're reaching enough other people, and you're helping enough other people get what they want, or you're not. Or you're sitting there thinking about yourself, and you're sitting there thinking about your problems, and you're sitting there thinking about how can I get money from the internet? And when you shift that focus from how can I get from the internet, what method can I get $100 a day, to how do I give $100 a day of value to 1,000 people per day? When you shift that conversation and then apply it, then you go do the work. Just like I have 670 some odd videos on this channel teaching step by step how to go do this, how to set up a funnel, how to get a ClickFunnels alternative, how to run Facebook ads, how to do copywriting. All the bits and pieces are here. And it's because I took my time, okay? I rescheduled my day, and I'm doing the work that I don't necessarily want to do to create a piece of content that is valuable, hopefully, to you. If it is valuable, give it a thumbs up so I know that you value this content. And I'm sending it out to the world, and then I'm repeating that process. And now over the course of 4.5 years, I've created nearly 700 videos because I know the truth of the universe, the truth of the way the world works, and the truth of the way that business works. If I help enough other people get what they want, I can have anything that I want. And I love this lifestyle I've created, and now I'm protecting it. I'm digging a moat around it, and my moat is 700 plus videos, and people rip off my videos all of the time. They copy my thumbnails, they copy my titles, they copy my videos word for word, and they don't stick with it long term because it's a lot of freaking work, is the truth of it. A lot of people want the result, they want to get the money, but are you willing to put in the work to go literally create massive amounts of value for millions of people, like my channel has, like my wife's brand has, and like every other 6 and 7 figure business owner that I personally know? They all reach and touch the lives of millions of people through content. That content could be Facebook ads, opt-in pages, and emails. That content could be blogging, podcasting, or videos. It's kind of irrelevant, but I'll tell you another secret. Everybody I know who's making 6 figures and 7 figures per year and beyond with their digital businesses, they've been doing it for years. They've been doing it for closer to a decade. The closer someone gets to $1 million per year, the closer to a decade they've been at this game. It's a long journey. It takes a lot of time, energy, and effort to help other people get what they want. It's a difficult task, especially when you have to learn all of the domain knowledge to be able to create that content to go out. But it works, and it works every single time when someone applies it. So I hope this has helped you get your mindset right. That is the number one part of the game, to be perfectly honest. And you might even observe this video is gonna have way fewer views than all my tactical videos, like how to run Facebook ads and how to spy on people's Facebook ads, because people think it's the tactics, right? Because it's the method. And that just shows you that the mindset of mass consciousness, you can see it in my video data. From your perspective, it shows how far off mass consciousness is. And this is the truth of why you might be one of the lucky few who actually stick with it long enough and apply the right strategy to create success, because 90+% of people, they will not create long-term life-altering success that allows them to fire their boss and never work a desk job again, because all they think about is themselves. And they're running around trying to get from the internet. And although it might work for a short period of time, it's surely to come crashing down at some point in time. But when you build a real business based on giving of yourself, giving value to others, sharing your talents with the world, getting it out there to multiply using a cell phone. I'm on an iPhone right now. I'm literally recording this on an iPhone. That is the fancy technology required for me to reach millions of people. And as I go forth and I help enough other people get what they want, That's how I've been able to get what I want. And when you apply this philosophy, when you apply this method to building your business online, you'll be amazed at what you create. It does take time, but it's the most rewarding thing I've ever done in my life. And I'm glad that I did the work I didn't want to do today. I'm glad I took time to set up my camera and get outside and do a quick video for you today, because honestly, I really do want to help you build the business of your dream. And this, in my opinion, is the one key that opens everything up. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. I do appreciate you. I hope this has been helpful. Give me a thumbs up, do all the engagement stuff, share it in a group or on Reddit if you found this video useful. I appreciate you, and I look forward to catching you on the next video. Until then, be well.